e ngofa mai Fese ko masau e ai Whalo lo mga wa ise puka kopai Po ilalo ise koko Samoa moni Yo ai no pa u ise Samoa moni Ka ile a bosa e wise salamo Tuli wha amoa ele au koli mango E wa ai e akale o inga whaia oe O teri tai, chiki teri poe Hamo kane me i mai, nevo pasi mele mai Salango fo mai ilunga so, sisi wese pai Se i whai o se ki, ale fongo hamakai Wha akali ongi sala ale o so unga whai Hey, you, 10 au makua and 7 pusa apa because you are makua Hey, me, 7 au makua and 2 pusa apa because you're not sure I was born in 1980 something Oh, you better watch your kua
Ka u yai se wu, pasa o yai se wu Afai so o wu, kau ya mama wu Fasa la mose, hey, fasa la muise, hey Pump up the jam, pump it up, pump
Eat like this, beautiful man. Very nice.
Is it raw, eh?
Yeah. Very nice, this man.
You got 2 kilo this morning?
Yeah, 2 kilo. Yeah.
We're here?
Yeah, because the fish market Newcastle. You know
Ah,
Newcastle?
yeah.
The fish
I just came
market
from
there?
there, yeah.
$20 kilo. Ma, it's good, man. Because Saturday, all the family stay together.
Yeah.
Eat this, pasta, everything.
Nice.
I need to work. A little bit to work. Man, when you finish, look beautiful.
Yeah. So it's just water.
Yeah. Water.
Oh, seawater.
The catfish, more work. You got everything, more work. This, very easy.
Yeah.
It's very nice, this. Look. Like this here. Cut. Look. Egg. Look. One. Yes, today, when you clean, inside the fridge, again, freezer, again, Saturday morning, put outside, put afternoon. Beautiful, man.
You cut them into small pieces?
You alone? You want it? No?
Yeah.